Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Discover credit card using account verification. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Discover credit card using account verification, start by visiting the official Discover website or opening the Discover mobile app. Locate the login section on the homepage. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the register button and following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings area. Look for the option labeled account verification or two-step verification. Select the option to begin the verification process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through several methods. These methods can include receiving a text message, an email, or an automated phone call. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions. If you select a text message, enter the phone number linked to your account. Then, check your phone for a verification code sent by Discover. Input the code into the verification field on the website or app. If you choose to receive the code via email, check your inbox for the email from Discover. Follow the same process by entering the code provided in the email. In case of an automated phone call, listen for the code and enter it as instructed. Once you have successfully entered the verification code, your identity will be confirmed. After completing this step, you may be prompted to review your security settings. Ensure your account information is up to date and you are comfortable with your security preferences. Finally, log out of your account to maintain security if you are using a public device. You have now successfully authenticated with your Discover credit card using account verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.